All right, so look, today we're gonna do a wrestler tier list. Fantastic, good, decent, trash, and I don't know. I'm gonna try to not put nobody in I don't know and really be honest, brutally honest about these mother truckers. So let's get started. Boogeyman. Boogeyman is absolutely trash. Like just like a scary comedic. Like let's be real. He eating worms. He sucks. Sandman. Sandman is trash. $1 million Man. $1 million Man is good. The Rock. Fantastic. Uh Dang, I forgot this dude's name. Oh, Ultimate Warrior. Ultimate Warrior is good. Not great, but good. Lex Luthor. Lex Luthor is decent. Roddy Piper. Roddy Piper is decent. John Cena is fantastic. He just did so much for wrestling that you gotta put him there. Yokozuna. Yokozuna is good. Tommy Dreamer. Tommy Dreamer is good. Oh no, Tommy Dreamer is decent. He did so much for ECW. I should put him in good, but we just gonna rock with him here. What the heck? During the ad. Okay, anyways. Chris Jericho. Chris Jericho is just one of the best, bro. We gotta put him here. Mick Foley. Mick Foley is good. Ooh, I don't know who this is. You trash because I don't know who you are. Jake the Snake Roberts. Jake the Snake Roberts is good. RVD is a decent little wrestler. Uh, Shinsuke Nakamura. Shinsuke Nakamura is decent. Stone Cold Steve Austin is a goat. Ooh, I'm not familiar. I'm not familiar with this guy. Ooh, you trash because I don't know who you are. I should know who you are. If you wasn't bad, I should know who you are. This guy, I think this is Arn Anderson. Yeah, pretty decent. Ric Flair, Nature Boy Ric Flair. Woo! Uh, I think this is Bruno Sammartino, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna just say I'm gonna say decent for this person. Terry Funk is Terry Funk is actually trash. We're not even gonna talk about it. Dolph Ziggler. Dolph Ziggler is good. Shelton Benjamin is a decent wrestler. I actually like Shelton Benjamin a lot too. It's crazy. Goldberg is so overrated. Decent. AJ Styles is good. Andre the Giant is fantastic. Macho Man Randy Savage is fantastic. JBL. John Bradshaw Langfield is good. Ron Simmons. Ron Simmons is Ron Simmons is decent. Cesaro. Cesaro is Cesaro is good. Sheamus is good. I forgot this guy's name, but I kind of know who he is. I just forgot his name, and he ain't that good. This guy is the British Bulldog. He is decent. I forgot this guy's name too. He's decent. Boss Man, Big Boss Man. Brock Lesnar is absolutely a monster. What the heck? Brock Lesnar is an absolute monster. Fantastic. Kane is good. Undertaker. Undertaker could be like at the top of the list. Might as well put him there. Might as well put him there, huh? This guy, I actually don't have any idea who this is. Like literally no idea. So trash. I don't even know who you are. This guy is Brutus the Barber Beefcake. Trash. What a joke. Carlito. Carlito is a decent little wrestler. Sting. Sting is good. Jeff Jarrett, decent wrestler. Bubba Ray. Bubba Ray, the things they did for tables matches though. Bubba Ray, Devon. I forgot who this guy is. So he is trash because I don't even remember him ever wrestling a day in my life, but I have seen his picture several times. I don't know who this is. Oh, I do know this is Billy Gunn. Billy Gunn is decent. I don't really know who that is, but I've seen him before. Oh, is he from somebody? X Pac. He's from DX. Okay, this is that guy from DX. He's still trash, and X Pac trash too. This is dang, I forgot his name. Man, I forgot his name. Oh, this is Raven. Raven is decent. Christian. Christian is a decent wrestler. Edge. Edge is fantastic. Batista is fantastic. Triple H is fantastic. Randy Orton is fantastic. Cowboy Bob Orton is decent. The Miz. The Miz is good. Chavo Guerrero is decent. Eddie Guerrero is fantastic. Jeff Hardy is fantastic. Matt Hardy is good. Not familiar with this big guy. I literally don't even know his name. So I'm gonna just say he trash. He's big. I should just say he's like decent though. Bret the Hitman Hart, fantastic. Uh Natalia dad. Natalia's dad was decent. Owen Hart, fantastic. This is Shawn Michaels' partner. Marty Jannetty. Uh, Marty Jannetty is decent. Shawn Michaels, literally the GOAT of wrestling. Like, what are we talking about right now? Shawn Michaels is the GOAT, the actual main event of wrestler, Mr. WrestleMania himself. Booker T. Booker T is good. Is this like not familiar with who this is? I've seen him before, but I can't remember, so I'm gonna just say trash. Because I should remember y'all. If y'all like made any noise, I should remember y'all. Shane McMahon is actually a good wrestler, surprisingly. Kurt Angle is fantastic. Jeff Jarrett, decent. Kevin Owens is good. Tajiri, Tajiri is a decent wrestler. Rey Mysterio is fantastic. Mr. Perfect, I like Mr. Perfect. Fantastic. Biggie, mm, Biggie is decent. Kofi Kingston is good, and Xavier Woods is decent. Razor Ramon. Oh no, Scott Hall. This is Scott Hall. See, the thing is, Scott Hall is Razor Ramon. Razor Ramon is fantastic. Scott Hall is trash. Hulk Hogan, fantastic. I'm not, no comments on his actual, rest in peace, no comments on all that other stuff. Kevin Nash is a decent wrestler to me. He's not that good. CM Punk is fantastic. This is Test. Is that Test? It's not Test. Bob Holly. Bob Holly. Bob Holly is a decent wrestler. Ravishing Rick Rude. Oh yeah, we like Ravishing Rick Rude. Fantastic. Mark Henry, fantastic. Big Show, fantastic. Dusty Rhodes, fantastic. Gold Dust is decent. Cody Rhodes. Y'all gonna be so mad at me for this. Good. Rhino, decent. Bruno Sammartino. Oh, this is not Bruno Sammartino. This is Jimmy Superfly Snuka. Fantastic. I think this is Animal. I think this one is Animal. Animal is here. Hulk is here. Samoa Joe. Samoa Joe's good. Earthquake. Earthquake is trash. Earthquake is trash. The Iron Sheik. The Iron Sheik is decent. Sergeant Slaughter is good. Not familiar with this guy at all. Like, you're trash because I never even heard of you. I never even seen your picture before. You're definitely trash. Uh this is dang, what's his name? I know who he is. I just can't remember his name. He's good though. Dean Ambrose. Dean Ambrose. Roman Reigns is fantastic. Bloodline story made him so much better. Uh Dang, I need to remember your name real quick. Seth Rollins, fantastic. This guy, I seen your picture before, so I'm not gonna put you in trash. I'm gonna put you in decent. I just can't remember your name. Big Papa Pump, decent wrestler. Taz, decent. Daniel Bryan, fantastic. Great Khali, the Great Khali. Ooh, that's tough. The Great Khali is good. Okay, I don't know these other two right here. These other two I don't actually know. I'm gonna just assume that they trash because I should at least know of you. I should at least have seen your picture before. I never even seen y'all picture. And then we got William Regal. William Regal is actually a pretty good wrestler. And that's that.